Hello, John Falcone, Stock Trading Insights. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm going to go over the Stock Trading Insights Simple Trading Checklist. Well, you see on the checklist, we have type of candle, whether it's bullish or bearish, 3, 8, and 8 EMA. We'll go over those, the 20-day SMA divergence, stochastics, MACD, DMI, volume, and gapping. So let's go over my setup on my chart. You can do this on any system. I have the 3 EMA, which is the green. The red is the 8 EMA. And the yellow is the 20. We have volume, stochastics, MACD, and the DMI. And for reference, I've added the 200, which is purple. I like to know if we're above or below. And I've added the 50-day moving average. I want to know if it's crossed above the 200 or not. That's very bullish. So let's go over the first one. The type of candle, is it bullish or bearish? Well, look at the day here, which was Friday, March 31st of 2023. That's very bullish because we have no wicks. We opened and closed up here, which is a very hollow candle, so that's very bullish. So let's go ahead and type of candle. Let's highlight this. Sorry. It's bullish. The 3 EMA, is the 3 above the 8 EMA or below? Well, the 3 is above the 8, so that's bullish. 20-day SMA divergence. Do we have a divergence? In other words, is the price a good distance away from the 20 daily moving average? And the reason we do that is because, look, what happens is when there's a divergence, like there was here, it pulled back, hit the 20, and now went back up again. We have this divergence, move down again. Now we're diverting here, move back up to the 20. Likes to do that. As you can see, the 20 was resistance here, came down, went back above the 20. Now we have a little bit of a divergence here. We could continue up for a little bit, but most of the time when there's a divergence, we will come back down to the 20 and possibly end up continuing up or break through that to the downside. We will see. But so there is a divergence, so that is bearish. Stochastics. It's the percent K above the percent D or below. Well, you can see the blue line is above, so that's very bullish. Yes, it is overbought, but it can stay overbought. Let's remember on these lower indicators, price and volume trump everything else. It's the most important. But yes, it is above. It can stay, like I said, it could stay overbought for a while, but that is bullish. The MACD is the positive, which is the blue. Has it crossed? The MACD line, has it crossed the signal line? Yes, it has, back here about March 21st. And is the histogram at or above 0? Yes, it is. Green bars are getting stronger. So yes, that is bullish. DMI is the plus, which is the green, above, or has it crossed the red? The minus, yes, it has, and it's going up at a good pace. We'll say that's probably about between 1 and 130. So that is pretty good momentum. So yes, that's bullish. Volume, where are we? Well, the volume has been rising as it's going up. It's a little higher than the average. So yes, that is bullish. Is there a gap above or below? Well, we have a gap right here. Right here, there's a gap. So we could come down to that gap. Will we do it now? Who knows? Let's see. We have this, everything's so bullish. So there is a gap below, so that's bearish. So what do we have here? We got two bearish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bullish. So 6 to 3 or 6 to 2. I'm sorry. So that is a bullish chart. It's leaning definitely to the upside, to continue to the upside. Let's see where there's some resistance here to further look at this chart. Let's put in a horizontal line. We have some resistance. Well, I'm going to say resistance right about here, 418.31. So there is a chance. Let's remove that. Sorry. There is a chance that we could end up to 418.31 before we have a pullback. So this is very bullish on the SPY. As you can see with the checklist, it could be bullish or bearish. Obviously, if stochastic was below, MACD was crossing down under, the red was above the green, the 3 EMA was down below, then that would be a bearish chart. You have to go with the charts right now. The chart is bullish. So we would buy stocks or options. And we could use our top target as this 418.31. And as far as a stop, you would decide what I would say, if it closed below the 50-day moving average, you would definitely be selling at that point. Depending on your risk level, you might say if it closes below the low of this day on the 23rd, you're out. But that just depends on your risk tolerance and the size of your account. But anyway, that's how you use the checklist. I hope you enjoy it. I am positive that will help you towards your trading success. John Falcone, StockTradingInsights.com. We'll talk to you later.